Structuralism is a theoretical approach that examines how underlying structures shape human culture, language, and thought. It suggests that meaning is created through relationships between different elements rather than through individual experiences alone. Structuralism is commonly applied in linguistics, anthropology, psychology, and literary studies to analyze patterns and systems that organize human behavior. By identifying these structures, structuralists aim to reveal the deeper rules that govern communication and social interactions. Now let's explore the origin of structuralism. Structuralism emerged in the early 20th century and was influenced by various disciplines, particularly linguistics and anthropology. One of its key influences was the work of Ferdinand de Saussure, who proposed that language is a structured system where words gain meaning through their differences from one another. Anthropologists also applied structuralist ideas to the study of myths, rituals, and social customs, arguing that human societies follow hidden structures. Over time, structuralism became a major framework for analysing literature, psychology, and cultural practices. Now let's look at some examples of structuralism in different fields. Structuralism can be seen in various disciplines that study patterns and systems. In linguistics, the idea that words gain meaning through their relationship to other words is a structuralist concept. In anthropology, myths and folk tales are analysed as part of a structured system, where recurring themes and symbols reveal shared cultural meanings. In literature, structuralist critics examine narrative structures, such as the hero's journey, to identify common patterns across different stories. These examples show how structuralism is used to uncover hidden frameworks that shape human thought and culture. Now let's examine some strengths of structuralism. One major strength of structuralism is that it provides a systematic way to analyse human behaviour and communication, making it useful for studying language, culture, and society. Another advantage is that it identifies universal patterns, helping researchers understand common structures across different cultures and traditions. Additionally, structuralism offers a scientific approach to studying meaning, as it focuses on objective relationships rather than personal interpretations. Because of these strengths, structuralism has influenced various academic fields, providing valuable insights into how humans organise knowledge. Now let's consider some weaknesses of structuralism. Despite its usefulness, structuralism has several criticisms. One major weakness is that it can be too rigid, assuming that all human behaviour follows fixed structures without considering individual differences or historical changes. Another issue is that it often ignores meaning beyond structure, as it focuses on patterns rather than emotions, personal experiences, or social change. Additionally, some argue that structuralist methods can be overly complex, making them difficult to apply outside of academic studies. While structuralism offers a powerful framework, these limitations suggest the need for alternative approaches to understanding human behaviour. Now let's explore an alternative perspective to structuralism. An alternative to structuralism is post-structuralism, which challenges the idea that meaning is fixed within structured systems. Post-structuralists argue that language and culture are fluid, with meaning constantly shifting depending on context. Another alternative is functionalism, which focuses on how cultural and social elements serve practical purposes rather than just their structural relationships. Phenomenology is another contrasting approach, emphasizing individual experiences and subjective meaning rather than overarching structures. While structuralism focuses on hidden rules and patterns, these alternative theories offer different ways of understanding human culture and communication.